The last kiss we shared tasted like a wine, sweet and bitter like our memories. And I long for you to come right back to me. Oh, tomorrow the time will be the same as today. Nothing goes on in my heart except your memories. Where will you be and who will you think of? Don't know how long it's been a while since you told me your favorite story. It's been on my mind, driving me crazy. Am I the reason that you're crying now? I see the tears in your eyes, they tell me you don't believe that I can't be your Prince Charming. Maybe you can't understand, but when you said you loved me, my life was changed, and I wish you could see. I'm willing to be the one and the angel that you love. With open arms, I'll always be there. And you must believe that you and me will end up happily in our own fairy tale story.
May gusto ka sa'king mahal, may balak kang agawin siya. Itsura pa lang